Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, welcome. Thank you for joining us here today. So in today's video, as you might have noticed, I have not my last video was everything I crocheted in May, and I haven't done a June update. And as you are seeing this is August, so therefore I have a everything I crochet in June and July. So first thing I've crocheted were these Leggy frogs, because I was writing up a pattern for it. So I made these Leggy frogs, and they're also a YouTube video online on my channel, so I'll leave it down below so you can check it out. And I also made a written pattern for it, which I'll also leave below and you can check it out. So yeah, I made these, and I used two different hook sizes but the same yarn. So yeah, check out the video if you want to know how to make these. Then some next things I made were this blue sunflower turtle. This is all the picture that I have because I didn't take any pictures. This was for a customer of my shop. She wanted, or I don't know, they wanted this type of sunflower turtle, this color. I customized it, so that's what I made for them. Then I'll keep it in with the turtles. This turtle I made for another customer. They wanted like a realistic turtle. So what that meant was a shell on the top and a shell at the bottom. And then they wanted a heart on it, so I also made that for them. And yeah, they seem to really like it, so I really appreciate that. Then the next one I made was about the same time as the realistic turtle, was the sunflower turtle, again in these colors that the customer picked out. And then the last turtle I made was this regular turtle with a blue shell, also for a customer again. Then I made these hexagons. They're for my temperature blanket. I have a whole video about my temperature blanket on my channel, so you can check that out if you have any questions. But basically what it is, I crochet one hexagon a day for the whole year, and then these I'll crochet together so that they become a blanket. So I do two colors each day, one for the high and one for the low temperature of that day, and then in the end weave in all the ends and then like this crochet them together so that they become one big blanket. So I would say I've done maybe around 30 of them, or like 20, so I was quite behind. Nay, I've definitely done more than 30. I don't know, go back to my everything I crochet in May, check out where I was then, and then now I'm telling you I'm halfway June, so I'm about a month and a half behind. So then you can see how many I've done. Then the next thing I've made, a friend reached out to me to make a custom piece, you can say, for their anniversary. So that's what I did, and I made these cute adorable keychains. So it's a cat and a fox, and then so I finished them literally the last day of July, and because I need to give them by mid-August, which is almost is, but I'll be kind of busy this month, so I won't really have time to sit on it and work on it. So yeah, I sent a photo of it, and I'm gonna give it on Thursday, I believe. But she then messaged me to add a little bow. So technically they're not finished yet, but they are. So I will do that either today or I need to do that today. And then I'll add a bow and another bow, and then they're officially ready. Then of course I've crocheted other things for like bigger projects, but they're not finished, so can't show them yet. Been working on something really excited that I could that I could have finished in July, but I still need to make like the arms and the legs, but somehow I don't know, but keep looking out for that. And yeah, I haven't really crocheted much this month because I've also been taking time to learn how to sew. And yeah, so I finished sewing a skirt. It took me like in total, I think it took me about a day, like a full day, so like a day and a half. But then I've split it up into a couple of days because there were some trial and errors, and then I had to lose it. So yeah, but that's the thing about starting something new. Also with crocheting, you start off, it doesn't work completely. Like with these ones, I also got stressed out making this one because it's black yarn and you can't really see black yarn. So I've done like the head and the body and one leg. Then I forgot what hook size I used because it's been so long since I started. Then I wanted to continue the second leg with the hook I thought I used, and then it turned out terribly. So I had to lose everything multiple times, and until that point I was like, you know what? Let me leave the black one alone. Let me continue with this one, with the orange one. And that went very well because I can see everything, so I didn't have to lose anything that often. And yeah, it's just easier losing yarn than to lose your skirt. So yeah, that's what I've been up to, and that is everything I crocheted in the month of July and June. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you've enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment because that really helps out my channel. And then I will see you in the next video. Bye!